Hey guys, Lee here from the fashion and lifestyle blog LegalLee Blonde. Today I'm sharing my top blushes that are a great match for the Pantone color of the year this year, Living Coral. So first, we've got the Lancome Blush Subtil Delicate Oil-Free Powder Blush in Coral Kiss. This one's really unique because it has oil-absorbing properties from mica and it's long-lasting. Second one I found for you is this Clarins Blush Prodige Illuminating Cheek Color in Sunset Coral. So this, as you can see, has different shades and finishes, which is really unique for a blush. It adds both color and luminosity. Third one to share with you is this Elizabeth Arden Cool Glow Cheek Tint in Coral Daze. So this is a bouncy, weightless, water-based gel formula. So it's really interesting because it cools on contact with your skin, giving it a healthy looking glow. Next up, we've got the Marcel Cream Blush in Sparkling Coral. So this is a really great choice if you love cream blush and it has a bit of shimmer. And the final one I found for you is the Maybelline Fit Me Blush in Coral. So this is a slightly less bold shade and it's really great therefore for a wide range of skin tones. My personal favorite is the Lancome Blush. So I love that it's buildable to give you as much or as little color as you want, and it's got just a subtle sparkle to it. So let's give this one a try so you can check it out. You can find all these blushes in the Pantone Color of the Year Living Coral at londondrugs.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to check out our other Pantone videos featuring eyeshadows, lipsticks, and nail polishes in Living Coral. See ya!